Kakasimula pa lamang ng impeachment trial ay wala ng kabuhay-buhay o si Miloya na kaagad itong si Attorney Lorna Kapunan na tila hindi na nakakatulog itong si Manang.
How is your platform, ma'am?
I pray that I do not fall from the apple cart. What? Your Honor, please, good morning, Mr. Presiding Officer, Honorable Impeachment Senate Judges.
Kung saan atin pang mababatid na overprotected itong si Manang nireregla sa kanilang witness at lagi itong nag-o-object kahit wala namang dapat i-object.
Part 2 ba ng co-ICFA audit yun? With regard to their confidential operations.
Your Honor, again, this is ask and answer.
No, Your Honor.
Na tila lumalabas na may pinagtatakpan itong prosekusyon na maaaring makasira kapag nabanggit nitong kuwa auditor na si Miss Sailin.
Your Honor, these are the same questions rephrased differently, Your Honor. Ask and answer.
It is not, Your Honor.
The court will allow it. Attorney Saline, please answer.
Matapos ang patuloy na pag-o-object ni Attorney Lorna Kapunan kahit wala namang dapat i-object ay sumakit tuloy ang ulo ni Senator Chis Escudero at tuluyan nang napuna itong si Manang Lorna at napangaralan pa itong witness nila kaugnay sa issue ng pagdetermine kung successful o hindi ang isang intel operation ng OVP.
Review the submissions of the agencies. Correct?
Opo.
Pag may observation kayo, mag-AUM kayo, and they can say, hindi, confidential to. And then you can agree or disagree, correct?
Based on the evaluation po ng magiging response nila.
And given the difference in the notice of suspension and notice of disallowance, as pointed out by counsel earlier, na may mga tinanggal na kayo, may mga binawas kayo, di ba?
Opo.
Kasi napaliwanag nila.
Opo.
So, minsan sinasabi nila sa unang tingin mo, hindi confidential to, biglang nagpaliwanag sila, confidential yon, binawas nyo o binabawas nyo.
Opo, based po sa evaluation ng response nila, kung na-answer na po nila yung issues raised dun sa AOM or
Na-answer or napaliwanag nila o nakumbinsi kayo na confidential ito. Therefore, hindi kailangan ng resibo o invoice.
Opo.
Tama. But your determination is anyway appealable, if at all, to the Supreme Court, the Commission of the Supreme Court.
Pag yung sa COA po, opo, pag may decision, may remedy pa po na umakyat sa Supreme Court.
Yes. Okay, counsel, move on.
Ipinamuka naman ni Senator Robin Padilla dito kay kuwa auditor Sailin ang isang matibay na katibayan na naging successful ang operasyon ng Office of the Vice President laban sa ginagawang recruitment ng mga NPA sa hanay ng ating mga estudyante.
January 1, 2024, sinabi po ng AFP na there is no more guerrilla active front. So, ibig sabihin po, successful.
Based mo sa AFP.
Salamat po.
Tuluyan ng binasag ni Senator Chis Escudero ang sarswela ng witness at ng prosekusyon kaugnay sa usapin ng pagpapasauli di umano ng kuwa ng unliquidated funds mula sa OVP na ginawang sarswela sa layuning sirain si VP Sara. Subalit ngayon sa pag-cross-examine ng presiding officer ay naging malinaw na ang lahat na wala pa palang pinal na desisyon ang kuwa kaugnay sa issue ng confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President.
Wala pang NFD, lahat ng pondong pinag-uusapan natin. Fourth quarter of 2022, the first 3 quarters of 2023 for DepEd and OVP.
Opo, wala pa pong NFD.
So wala pang final decision lahat ng ito.
Opo, tama
Pag
po.
sinabi nyo nag-demand kayo ng restitution, ang ibig sabihin lang naman ito, kinarga nyo na as an unliquidated cash advance yung mga yung mga dinisalaw ninyo.
Opo, tama po.
Yun lang naman po ibig sabihin nun, di ba? Hindi naman ibig sabihin, isoli mo, bigay mo yung pera sa akin. Ibig sabihin nun, ilalagay namin yan as unliquidated cash advance during the pendency of the notice of disallowance.
Yes po, kasi may mga remedies pa po sila.
Kasi hindi pa nga final at wala pang NFD.
Opo.
Tama po?
Dobling kalbaryo ang sinapit ni Manang nireregla Attorney Lorna Kapunan sa kamay ng defense at ng presiding officer. Paano ba naman kasi nag-alboruto itong si Lola Lorna nang indyanin di umano siya ng defense nang hindi siya siputin upang pag-usapan sana ang mga minarkahang ebidensya.
Inignore. Ginos.
Bago ngayon.
Ginos.
Hindi na. Ghost na yung bagong.
Ghosting pa.
Matapos ang paghuhurumintadong ito ni Attorney Lorna Kapunan ay pinagsaklupan tuloy siya ng kahihiyan nang ibunyag ni Senator Chis Escudero na wala naman palang napag-usapan at itinakdang araw at pitsa ang korte kung kailan sila magkikita-kita upang mapag-usapan ang mga minarkahang ebidensya na tila lumalabas na guni-guni lang pala ni Manang Lorna na inendyan siya ng depensa.
That is why we are here in open court to establish the competence. So kahit pagamitin ho namin yung exhibit namin, kung hindi naman ho competent yung witness nyo to identify those exhibits, it will still be a waste of time. It will
On to this, Your Honor.
Ako na
Just
magre-respond.
very-
Ako
very
na magre-respond
briefly.
para sa kanya. Sa'yo, Attorney Kapunan. The chair did make a ruling, issue an order for the parties to try to meet Friday or Thursday. However, for whatever reason, lack of lawyers or inclement weather, that did not happen. Chair would just like to correct, hindi ka Attorney Lorna ininjan, baka ginost ka. Kasi hindi ka sinagot eh. Pero hindi ka ininjan, wala namang pinag-usapan date pa eh.
Nabunyag naman ang tila sindikatong galawan nitong mga taga-Commission on Audit. Paano ba naman kasi? Pilit nilang inisyuhan ng disallowance ang Office of the Vice President nang hindi man lang binigyan ng pagkakataong magpaliwanag ang OVP. Kaya dahil dito ay nalantad tuloy na tila naging bias ang ginawang pag-u-audit nitong COA.
Ma'am Sailin, so dahil binigay di umano kay Latsika ni Gina Costa, dinisalaw niyo na lahat?
Yes po, kasi direct violation po ito ng joint circular.
Subalit dahil hindi yan dumaan sa notice of suspension, in-issue niyo yung notice of disallowance nang hindi binibigyan ng pagkakataon, sumagot muna o magpaliwanag ang OVP. Wala pa po sila. Ngayon pa lang kung sakasakali kung mag-a-appeal sila.
Opo.
So you have not heard the side of the Vice President or the OVP's office with respect to what you heard Gina Acosta say under oath in the House hearings? Wala pa
Okay.
silang response doon.
Wala pa po.
Wala
Doon
pa
na
rin
lang
kayong-
po, doon na lang po sa appeal.
Doon na lamang. So in-issue nyo to nang hindi naririnig yung panic nila.
Opo.
Naging dagdag kapinsalaan naman para sa prosekusyon ang naging pag-amin na ito ng taga-COA kung saan napag-alaman na may 180 days pa pala ang OVP na mag-appeal upang maipaliwanag ng maayos ang kanilang panig kung saan nangangahulugan na hindi pa talaga pinal ang findings ng COA at pwede pang mabawi itong disallowance na inisyu nila kaya hindi tuloy maipinta itong mukha ni Manang Lorna.
What is the status of this notice of disallowance?
Nasa prescribed period pa po ang OBP para po mag-appeal sa commission proper po.
With the indulgence of counsel, and what is the prescribed period to appeal before the commission?
180 days po after nila ma-receive yung notice of disallowance.
6 months.
Opo.
You may proceed, counsel.
And to your knowledge, are they still well within this 6-month period to
Asked
submit?
and answered already, Your Honor.
Your Honor, please, it is within, this is follow-up to the question of the presiding officer. What is the period? 180 days. My question is the 180 days still currently applicable?
Yes po.
Naghintay ka ba? Wala na. It's a prank.
Napag-alaman pa na ginamit naman pala sa tama ang budget ng Office of the Vice President.
With the indulgence of counsel, Ms. Eileen, these are the activities na sinasabi nilang kinover ng intelligence operations?
Ito po yung inattach nila as proof of success of the information
Ng
gathering.
activities nga.
Opo.
Not that ginamit yung confidential funds sa pagbigay ng bigas, not that ginamit yung confidential funds sa pagbigay ng tupad, not that ginamit yung confidential fund sa MAIP.
Opo. Bali po, ito yung naging activities ng Vice President po. Pero
Na-
hindi po yung confidential fund yung ginamit dito.
Na naging ligtas siya, ika nga.
Opo,
Base sa
parang
protective
conducted
activities.
surveillance activities po sa mga programang ito.
Okay.
Talo! sorry.
Tuluyan ng nalintikan itong si Boy Blush on Attorney Ligutan at iba pang mga abogado ng prosekusyon, bunga ng kanilang kaipalan at pagiging unprofessional sa paggamit ng social media at papatawan sila ng parusa ng impeachment court ngayong darating na Lunes.
May I request that the counsel for the panel of prosecutors and Attorney Virgil Ligutan be recognized.
Unfortunately, counsel, no, the presiding officer will not allow that at this time. The presiding officer takes in advisement the manifestation of the counsel, the lead counsel for the respondent, because quite frankly, Honorable Luistro, I asked the clerk of court to monitor the public statements of the counsels of the parties this past week. And one side has been crossing the line many times. And in fact, the presiding officer is already in the process of drafting a ruling and a warning and an order pertaining to this. Because clearly, I can even name all of you who have been commenting on social media in violation of Rule 18 of the impeachment rules. But I will do that on Monday, perhaps, after taking advisement the manifestation of the counsel for respondent. It's not really so much being cordial or nice or kind, but it's a basic violation of Rule 18. I already talked to the parties 2 weeks ago, reminding you that you might want to consider appointing spokespersons who are not part of the panel of prosecutors nor a private prosecutor, but you insist on maintaining that. So after 2 weeks, the court is constrained to make a decision and ruling on that. But we will do that on Monday with the permission of both counsels. Then we will hear you, counsel, and we will hear Attorney Ligutan prior to the court's ruling on the matter. But be advised that again, we have it all on tape. We have been monitoring everything. We may not enumerate it one by one, but we will make the corresponding ruling on Monday. Thank you for bringing that up, counsel. It gives me a reason to actually issue the ruling, which we have prepared and have been preparing the past few days. On Monday, Attorney Ligutan, we will hear you before we make the ruling.
Tanga!